Hi, welcome back to SQL Basics. My name is Marcel. Today we'll be going over the select clause in the SQL statement. Remember, SQL is just a language for asking questions. So in this example, we have some data with some information about students. And from this, we want to get just their names and their GPA, something like this. So how do we ask that of the database? Let's write a query. This question, or in SQL we call them queries, will have two components to it. First is the select statement. This is the information we're telling the database that we want from this table. In this case, we're going to select the name and the GPA. That's all we care about. Now we have to tell it where we're getting this from. In this case, this is a very simple example, and we only have one table. It's called students, so we'll just say from students. And that's it. That's all we need to do, and now the database will answer our question. To understand what's happening here, you have to realize that SQL does not do this in the order that we wrote it in. It actually does the select last. Because first, it needs to get the table that we're going to get this data from. So the from is executed first. So we just bring up all of the data first. And now, using the select, we get rid of all the information we don't want. It just fades away and leaves us with the two columns we asked for, name and GPA. And that's it. That's what a SQL select statement does. It shows us exactly what we asked for, narrowing down and removing the clutter and the other data that we don't need to get at the information we're interested in. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on the where clause, where we can actually search and get down to just a small piece of information that we actually need instead of looking at all the rows of data.